don't think haram has had any barakah. In haram, no barakah at all. If you take millions with haram, no benefit for you, nothing. With halal, even small thing, it is barakah for all of you. For this, you must give yourself and your family good rizq, good income, even a small one, but it must be clean. This is very important. If you are not doing this, you will be regretted, because no barakah from what you get, and no barakah after from your family. Allah protect us from our greedy ego.